Hello students, now this is the continuation of lesson number 10, day and night and seasons. And first of all, I have explained that there are two motion of earth, that is rotation and revolution. Okay, hope you understand that. Rotation and revolution, because of rotation day and nights are happen, and because of revolution there are seasons occur on earth. Okay, let's have some view about it, about rotation and revolution of our earth. Let's have a view about rotation first. Let's see about rotation. What is rotation? See here.
Planets in the solar system, planet Earth moves in two ways, rotation and revolution. Can you see how the Earth is spinning around its axis? This movement is called rotation. The Earth spins around an imaginary line which passes through the poles. If you look closely, you'll notice that the axis is a little inclined, almost 24 degrees. It takes planet Earth 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis, which is the equivalent of one day. Rotation explains day and night. As you can see, it's daytime in the part of the Earth that faces the sun, and nighttime on the dark side. Do you understand?
Okay students, now that is the rotation. Okay, how the earth rotate on its axis. Okay, અર્થ પોતાના એક્સિસ ઉપર કેવી રીતે ફરે છે એ તમે જોયું. ઓકે, એન્ડ બિકોઝ ઓફ ધ રોટેશન ડે એન્ડ નાઇટ્સ હેપન, અને આ રોટેશનના કારણે શું થાય? ડે એન્ડ નાઇટ હેપન. હવે આપણે જોઈએ રેવોલ્યુશન. નાઉ લેટ્સ લુક અ વ્યૂ અબાઉટ રેવોલ્યુશન. વોટ ઇઝ રેવોલ્યુશન? એન્ડ બિકોઝ ઓફ રેવોલ્યુશન સિઝન્સ અકર. રેવોલ્યુશનના કારણે શું થાય? સિઝન્સ અકર થાય. નાઉ લેટ્સ હેવ અ લુક અબાઉટ રેવોલ્યુશન.
The Earth around the Sun is called revolution. The Earth takes one whole year to go around the Sun. Before, people used to think that the orbit of the Earth around the Sun was cyclical, but they weren't right. As you can see here, the orbit is elliptical. Thanks to revolution and the inclination of the rotation axis of the Earth, we have four seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The more the hemispheres incline towards the sun, the more directly the sunlight reaches the Earth's surface. It's warmer, and that's why it's summertime.
See student, here we can see clearly that on the northern hemisphere it is the sun phase. નોર્ધન હેમિસ્ફિયર કોના તરફ છે? સન તરફ છે. એન્ડ જે સાઉથર્ન હેમિસ્ફિયર છે એ સનના ઓપોઝિટ સાઈડ છે. ઓકે, સો નોર્ધન હેમિસ્ફિયરમાં આવી જે સનની સિચ્યુએશન હશે ત્યારે નોર્ધન હેમિસ્ફિયરની અંદર સમર હશે એન્ડ સાઉથર્ન હેમિસ્ફિયરમાં વિન્ટર ફેઝ થશે. ઓકે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, નાઉ લેટ્સ સી.
Contrast, the other hemisphere is less inclined, so sunlight is less direct. That's why it's colder and it's winter time. Here, we can see that it's summertime in the northern hemisphere and winter time in the southern hemisphere. The opposite will occur in 6 months. Sunlight will reach the southern hemisphere in a more direct way, and it will be summer, while in the northern hemisphere.
So here students, we can clearly see that સાઉથર્ન હેમિસ્ફિયર એ કોના તરફ આવી ગયું છે? હવે સન તરફ આવી ગયું છે. એન્ડ નોર્ધન હેમિસ્ફિયર એટલે કે ઉપરનું જે સાઈડ છે એ કોના તરફ જતું રહ્યું છે? સનથી ઓપોઝિટ સાઈડ જતું રહ્યું છે. ઓકે, સો the places or the hemisphere which are on sun face, it is summer time, and hemisphere which are opposite side of sun, it is winter time. ઓકે, અહીંયા આપણને જોવા મળે સાઉથર્ન હેમિસ્ફિયર કોના તરફ છે? સન તરફ છે. એન્ડ નોર્ધન હેમિસ્ફિયર સનની ઓપોઝિટ સાઈડ છે એટલે કે સનથી દૂર છે. ઓકે, સો ત્યાં લેસ સનલાઇટ પહોંચે એટલે કે ત્યાં વિન્ટર છે. સો અત્યારે આપણા સનની આવી આપણા અર્થની આવી પોઝિશન છે, બિકોઝ આપણા અહીંયા શું છે? વિન્ટર ટાઈમ. વી આર એક્સપિરિયન્સ નાઉ વિન્ટર ટાઈમ. સો અવર અર્થ્સ પોઝિશન ઇઝ લાઇક ધીસ. એટલે આપણા અર્થ આપણે ક્યાં છે આવેલા? આપણે નોર્થ હેમિસ્ફિયરમાં આવેલા છે. આપણે ક્યાં આવ્યા છે? નોર્થ હેમિસ્ફિયરમાં આવ્યા છે. સો આપણા અહીંયા વિન્ટર, હાલમાં વિન્ટર સિઝન એક્સપિરિયન્સ કરી રહ્યા છે. ઓકે સ્ટુડન્ટ, સો ધીસ સિચ્યુએશન ઇઝ નાવ ડેઝ ઓફ અવર અર્થ. આવી સિચ્યુએશન આપણા અર્થની હાલમાં છે. નાવ ટેક અ લુક હિયર.
It will be winter. Owing to the fact that the revolution of the Earth around the Sun doesn't take exactly 365 days.
So This is how our earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete its one revolution around the sun. ઓકે, સનની આસપાસ ફરતા આપણા અર્થને કેટલો ટાઈમ લાગે? 365 days and 6 hours. ઓકે, તો આટલો ટાઈમ આપણા અર્થને વન રેવોલ્યુશન પૂરું કરતા લાગે. સો આપણા 1 hourના 365 days છે. નાવ let's see in your textbook here on page number 83. I hope you understand what is revolution and what is rotation. ઓકે, ફર્સ્ટ આપણે જે જોયું પોતાના એક્સિસ ઉપર ફરે ઇટ ઇઝ રોટેશન અને સનની આસપાસ ફરે ઇટ ઇઝ રેવોલ્યુશન. ઓકે, સો બીકોઝ ઓફ રોટેશન ડે એન્ડ નાઇટ હેપન્સ એન્ડ બીકોઝ ઓફ રેવોલ્યુશન ઇટ ઇઝ seasons occur. Now see here, when the days are short, which clothes we should not wear? So when the days are short, it is winter time and we should not wear thick and cotton clothes because the atmosphere is cold. Okay, so you have to also write down these question answers in your textbook and workbook also. What a second question, what type of clothes do we wear in September and why? So September is the month of rainy season, so we should wear clothes that protects us from the rain like raincoat, cap, gumboot, etc. Okay, so these types of clothes we wear in September month. Now next question, which type of clothes can be worn in all season? So pant, shirt, t-shirt, jabba, lehenga, etc. can be worn in all season. Now here it is spell mistake, he, it is not he but lehenga. Okay, it is lehenga. So these types of clothes we can worn in all season. Okay students, now see, write and understand. Here the name of vegetables are given. We have to write down. Observation 1 means June month, observation 2 means September month, and observation 3 means December month. Okay, so in June month we can get these types of vegetable. So first one, bottle ground, sweet potato, cucumber, potato, brinjal, onion, elephant food. Okay, so etc. vegetables we can found in June. Now in September, lady's finger, then beetle ground, bottle ground, potato, brinjal, round gourd. Okay, so this type of vegetables are there in September month. Now December month, now carrot, cabbage, cauliflower, peas, brinjal, potato, bottle gourd and onion. Okay, so this type of vegetables can be seen or found in December month. Now in second table we have to write that which type of vegetables can be found in all season. So in all season there is a bottle gourd and a potato and brinjal. Bottle gourd, potato, brinjal. Bottle gourd, potato and brinjal. These three vegetables can be found in all season or 3 months, all 3 months. Now third one, name of vegetables different from each other in table. Okay, હવે ઉપર જે આપણે લખ્યું છે એનાથી ડિફરન્ટ વેજીટેબલ કયું છે આપણે એ લખવાનું છે. વિચ આર ધ ડિફરન્ટ ફ્રોમ each other? So sweet potato, cauliflower, onion, elephant food. Okay, then in September month, lady's finger, beetle gourd, round gourd, these are the different vegetables. And December month, carrot, cabbage, cauliflower, peas and onion, these are the different vegetable find or can get in December month. Okay, so these are the vegetable observation. Okay, now read. In today's modern time, due to the usage of cold storage, scientific agriculture and improved seed, most of the vegetables are available throughout the year. Okay, so આજના જે modern એજની અંદર આપણને કોલ્ડ સ્ટોરેજ, સાયન્ટિફિક એગ્રીકલ્ચર એન્ડ ઇમ્પ્રુવડ શીડ મળી રહે અને એને કારણે આપણને મોસ્ટ ઓફ ધ વેજીટેબલ્સ કેન વી ગોટ ઇન હોલ તે આપણને આખું વર્ષ દરમિયાન બધા જ મોસ્ટલી અવેલેબલ થાય. Due to this, it is not possible to differentiate vegetables on the basis of winter, summer and monsoon. Okay, so because of that all the vegetables cannot be divided according to winter, summer and monsoon. Okay, so mostly vegetable બધા જ સિઝનમાં મળે. Okay, because of the scientific improved seed, then cold storage, scientific agriculture. Okay, so because of this reason all the vegetables can be available in all season. Okay, now turn your page on page number 84. So here we have to write down about season, winter, summer and monsoon. Now let's read and write in your textbook and workbook. Winter in India from the month of November to February. Okay, so 4 month winter, November to November, December, January and February. These 4 months have winter months. Then people wear thick and warm clothes. The winter is very cold. Also they use thick blankets at the night. Green leafy vegetable are available in plenty in this season. આપણને green vegetables બહુ બધી મળે winter seasonમાં. Winter is the season of Christmas and kites. In this, okay, kite festival આવ્યો છે ને, very nice, all enjoy this festival, but take care of yourself. Okay students, so this is the winter season. In this season days are small and nights are long. Okay, આ seasonની અંદર શું હોય, days are short and nights are long. Now summer season. Summer in India is from the month of March to June. So summer is also for 4 months. Okay, March, April, May and June. So these are the 4 months of summer. Now atmosphere is hot. People wear thin cotton clothes in this season. Fruits like mangoes, watermelon, tomato and oranges are available in this season. Farmers show millet. Generally schools are closed in this season. Okay, આપણું summer vacation હોય ને, so it is there is very hot in summer, our school has closed and we get summer vacation. Okay, so this is summer. Now turn your page, it's here. Now let's see about monsoon. Monsoon in India is from the month of July to October. So 4 month monsoon. Okay, rainy season. Now July to October means July, August, September and October. So this 4 month is about monsoon. Now people wear raincoat, cap and gumboot. Some people use umbrellas. Monsoon is the season of festivals. There are many festivals in monsoon like Ashadhi Duj, then Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Bhadarvi Poonam, etc. All at time if it rains heavily, the river get flooded. એટલે કે જો બહુ વરસાદ થાય તો રિવરમાં શું આવશે, ફ્લૂડ એટલે કે પૂર આવી જાય. એન્ડ વી સફર હ્યુજ લોસ ઓફ લાઈફ એઝ વેલ એઝ પ્રોપર્ટી. અને એનાથી ઘણા લોકો મરી જાય અને પ્રોપર્ટીમાં પણ ખૂબ લોસ થાય. At time lightning and thunder can be seen. ઓકે, આપણને lightning and thunder એટલે કે વીજળી અને ગાજવાનું પણ આપણને સાંભળવાનું મળે. In this season vegetables like lady's finger, right gourd, beetle gourd, spiny gourd, etc. available in plenty. So these are some vegetables which are available plenty in monsoon season. Okay students, so these are the 3 seasons. You have to write down these seasons in your textbook and workbook. Today, due to the different type of effect of pollution, environment is harmed. Because of this, apart from monsoon, rain falls in other seasons too. Okay, so because of the severe pollution on the earth, all the 3 seasons got affected. ઓકે, આ જે પોલ્યુશન છે એના કારણે બધી જ 3 season અફેક્ટ થઈ ગઈ છે. સો nowadays we can feel that. Okay, so this is which season we experienced nowadays. it is winter season according to our month. Okay, it is January. First our month, first month, it is January month. In January month there is winter, there should be winter, but we cannot feel cold too much here. ઓકે, અહીંયા આપણને કોલ્ડ જરા પણ ફીલ થતું નથી. It is hot, we feel hot here. Why? Because of the severe pollution on earth. It starts global warming. એટલે કે આ જે ગ્લોબ છે, અર્થ છે, આખું અર્થ છે, એ ગ્રેજ્યુઅલી વોર્મ થવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ ગયું છે. ઓકે, ગરમીનું પ્રમાણ આખા અર્થ ઉપર વધી રહ્યું છે. ધેટ ઇઝ ગ્લોબલ વોર્મિંગ. એન્ડ બિકોઝ ઓફ ધીસ ગ્લોબલ વોર્મિંગ વી કેન ફીલ મોર હીટ, વી કેન ફીલ hot atmosphere on whole earth. આખા અર્થ ઉપર આપણને હોટ એટમોસ્ફિયર ફીલ થઈ રહ્યું છે. ઓકે, આજે પણ વિન્ટર છે તો પણ આપણા ઇન્ડિયાની અંદર હાલ આપણું વિન્ટર સિઝન ચાલી રહ્યું છે, બટ દેર ઇઝ નો કોલ્ડ ઇન એક્સપિરિયન્સ. ઓકે, સો this is because of global warming, this is because of severe pollution on earth. Okay, now all the seasons got affected. અને ક્યારેય પણ આપણને મોન્સૂન આવી જાય, મીન્સ કે વરસાદ આવી જાય, આવું પણ એક્સપિરિયન્સ થાય. ઓકે, સો ઓલ ધ સિઝન્સ આર અફેક્ટેડ બિકોઝ ઓફ ગ્લોબલ વોર્મિંગ એન્ડ પોલ્યુશન. નાવ it is true. Now on 21st June, remember these things always. Now 21st June, the day is longest and the night is shortest night of year. Okay, so આખા વર્ષમાં 21st જૂનનો જે દિવસ હોય એ લાંબામાં લાંબો ડે હોય and shortest night. Okay, 22nd December has the year's shortest day and longest night. 22nd ડિસેમ્બરમાં છે એ દિવસે શોર્ટેસ્ટ ડે, ટૂંકામાં ટૂંકો દિવસ. ઓકે, એન્ડ લોંગ નાઇટ, લોંગેસ્ટ નાઇટ ઓફ અર્થ ઓફ ધ સિઝન ઓફ યર. ઓકે, સિઝનની લાંબામાં લાંબી નાઇટ એક્સપિરિયન્સ થાય ઓન 22nd ડિસેમ્બર. 22nd December, it means it is longest night and shortest day, means which season experience? Short day and long night means it is winter. Okay, and long day and short night, it means which season? It means summer season. લાંબો દિવસ હોય it means કે summer season, and short day હોય it means કે it is winter season. Okay, so 21st December it is winter season and 22nd December is year's shortest day and longest night, and 20th March and 23rd September both have the equal days and equal nights. Okay, remember these always. કોઈ પણ એક્ઝામમાં આગળ પણ તમે જશો તો પણ આવા ક્વેશ્ચન્સ આવી શકે as your general knowledge. Okay, so remember these always. Now discuss incident of disease increase in the particular time phrase. Make a list of games played in different season. Find the season for day and night being long or short. Okay, so this discussion incident of disease increase in the particular time phrase. Okay, because of different season and because of the severe pollution there are many disease can be there in change of atmosphere, effect of human body. When any of the three, either summer, winter or rainy season starts at atmosphere condition change. In monsoon, the amount of moisture in the atmosphere increase and hence disease are also increased. Disease like typhoid, malaria, cholera, etc. spread in monsoon. Okay, so which type of disease spread in monsoon? So typhoid, malaria and cholera, this type of disease spread in monsoon. Then okay, so these types of disease are spread. Now let's see make a list of a game played in different season. Now winterની સિઝનમાં આપણે કઈ કઈ ગેમ રમી શકીએ? So it's all games like kabaddi, kho-kho, hockey, then cricket, football, etc. games we can play in winter. Then in summer we can play music chair and hide and seek, and then carom board and chess and cricket and basketball, etc. games we can play in summer. And in monsoon, mainly indoor games are played in monsoon, like chess and carom board and ludo, okay, passing the parcels, etc. game we can play in monsoon. Okay, find the reason for the day and night being long or short. Okay, day and night long or short કેવી રીતના થશે? The earth is not straight on its axis ઉપર straight નથી of rotation, instead it is tilted. એ કેવું છે? tilted means કે નમેલું છે, આપણું axis નમેલું છે. Due to this, different part of earth get different length of sunlight hour, and hence whichever hemisphere of earth is tilted toward the sun has longer days and short night. ઓકે, જે પણ હેમિસ્ફિયર અર્થ તરફ ટિલ્ટ થયેલો હોય, એટલે અર્થ તરફ નમેલો હોય, ત્યાં લોંગ ડે એન્ડ શોર્ટ નાઇટ હોય, મીન્સ કે સમર હોય. ધ હેમિસ્ફિયર દેટ ઇઝ અવે ફ્રોમ ધ સન, અને જે હેમિસ્ફિયર સનથી દૂર હોય ત્યાં શું હશે? ત્યાં હેઝ shorter day and longer nights. ત્યાં short day and longer night means there is a winter on that part. This part experience winter. This way, due to the rotation of earth, days and night are short and long because of the revolution of earth. Because of the revolution of earth, days and nights are long and short. Okay students, hope you understand all these things. Now all these things you have to write down in your textbook and your workbook also. Okay students, take care, stay home, stay safe.